This is Richard Shugart presenting SMB Digest Daily, your online audio and visual first communication highlighting items of interest to the math biology community for the Society for Mathematical Biology.
Welcome to SMB Digest Daily for May 8, 2018. Each week, the Society for Mathematical Biology sends out a weekly email with advertisements that may be of interest to the Society. The weekly email is called SMB Digest. Now we are starting an offshoot of that called SMB Digest Daily, though it won't appear every day. SMB Digest Daily provides both an audio and a visual sneak peek for what is appearing in this week's SMB Digest. It also contains other information relevant to the Society. We start with What's New in the Queue, where we display the newest advertisements that will be out in the next SMB Digest. And so the first advertisements are from the National Institute for Mathematical and Biological Synthesis. They're advertising 2 postdoctoral fellowship positions. They call these positions targeted postdoctoral fellowships. The first is in species distribution modeling and conservation. The postdoctoral fellow will work as a part of an interdisciplinary team researching how to account for the combined effects of land use change and climate change when designing conservation strategies for the Appalachian region. The second targeted postdoctoral fellowship is in spatial biology. The postdoctoral fellow will integrate remote sensing tools with publicly available data to answer interdisciplinary topics in global environmental change. Review of applications will begin the 14th of May and continue until the position is filled. For more information and the online application, visit www.nimbios.org/postdocs/targeted_postdocs. The next advertisement is a postdoctoral research position. This is in bioinformatics and systems immunology at the Kirby Institute at the University of New South Wales in Sydney, Australia. This position will focus on the development and application of bioinformatics and statistical approaches for analyzing and interpreting single-cell flow cytometry and epigenetics data of immune cells. For more details, please contact Professor Luciani at luciani@unsw.edu.au. The next advertisement is at the University Children's Hospital at the University of Basel. They're offering a data analyst developer position within the computational physiology and biostatistics group. The start date is July 2nd. Within a 3-year project, the candidate is expected to develop and maintain a computational platform capable of analyzing time series in real time as they are retrieved from a patient monitoring device. Please send application documents by email to Edgar Delgado Eckert. The last advertisement is for the 7th Mathematics and Life Sciences meeting. Their program is now available at mils.ghost.io. The meeting will focus on spatial cell signaling and will take place on the 30th of May from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the University of Nottingham. The workshop will bring together researchers working at the interface of mathematical, modeling, and biological aspects of spatially extended cell signaling. And that's what's new in the queue. The next section is the Bulletin of Mathematical Biology highlight, where we spotlight an online first article in the Bulletin of Mathematical Biology, the flagship journal of the Society for Mathematical Biology. And so here we highlight an article titled Optimal Therapy Scheduling Based on a Pair of Collaterally Sensitive Drugs by Yoon, Vandervelde, Marusk, and Scott. Despite major strides in the treatment of cancer, the development of drug resistance remains a major hurdle. One strategy which has been proposed to address this is a sequential application of drug therapies where resistance to one drug induces sensitivity to another drug, a concept called collateral sensitivity. The optimal timing of drug switching in these situations, however, remains unknown. To study this, we developed a dynamic model of sequential therapy on heterogeneous tumors comprised of resistant and sensitive cells. A pair of drugs are utilized and are periodically switched during therapy. Our results suggest opportunities to improve therapy scheduling in clinical oncology. Next, we highlight upcoming and last-minute deadlines. Today, we highlight the 2018 Conference on Mathematical Methods in Science and Engineering Conference. Their deadline for submission of abstracts or full papers is May 10th. The conference is July 9th through the 13th in Cadiz, Spain. Finally, we have the Society for Mathematical Biology highlights. Today we focus on an interview with Ruth Baker in the SMB newsletter. In the interview, Ruth says the biggest challenges in developmental biology are learning how to make use of the vast quantities of available data, as well as linking biochemical and biomechanical models. In the interview, she also tells her favorite research paper and advice she would give to a junior mathematical biologist. The interview can be found at www.smb.org/1263-2. Finally, information about the Society for Mathematical Biology can always be found in the SMB homepage at www.smb.org.
This has been Richard Shugart presenting SMB Digest Daily for the Society for Mathematical Biology and SMB Digest.